Hey friends, Leigh Brown with One Community Real Estate, and welcome back to my spotlight on local business. Today's a little different kind of business because you can see that I'm in a really big, giant, gorgeous space. And if you check out the architecture, you might even figure out this was one of the old bank buildings here in Downtown Concord. We're right here on Union Street, right across from the old courthouse, which is now our theater. So this has become the Cabarrus Center. And what does that mean? Well, there's a co-working space, and there's also a ton of little pop-up labs in here, and you'll see different businesses that are getting a good go in a space where they don't have to be buried under the cost of a giant lease. So what you'll find in here is that you could do a giant meeting room. You could do a monthly fee and have your own little office if you don't want to buy a building or take out a different kind of a traditional lease, or if you just need a day working space. Let's just say that you've got a local business and you need to step it up a notch, you need to look a little fancier, you can come over here, and the cost run from $20 for a day pass to $7.50 a month for a private office, and you can rent a space that's up to 75 people for $150 an hour. That's not bad. And again, you get the beautiful architecture, you get all of the amenity areas, and you also have concierge service right here in your town. So before you go renting something really expensive at a hotel, why not check out the Cabarrus Center right here in the middle of downtown? And when you support local businesses, and when you are a local business, this takes care of you right here in Cabarrus County. I'll see you around.